One Senator Matthew Ahogigbe has claimed that the reason why Atiku Abubakar lost in 2023 presidential election is because of Peter Obi and Yecho Ayo. Here I'm talking about Peter Obi, and I want to say it clearly that it is not true that it was because of Peter Obi that Atiku lost. Atiku lost because he was not reading the signs of the time. After 8 years of Muhammad Buhari from the north, that it is unfair for a northerner like Atiku Abubakar to come and be president again. But Atiku did not understand this. So Atiku is to blame for Atiku losing the 2023 presidential election.